Hey everybody, welcome back to IP Farms. Well, this is going to be quite different. Hopefully not very long, but nothing at all like I normally put on the channel. Had a couple of people suggest that I should video this, and that is me turning that stock tank into a pool for my wife. She can sunbathe this summer. I wanted to do more of a hands-on tutorial, but I don't know. I'm just not as sharp as I used to be. Directions make absolutely no sense, which that's nothing unusual, but long story short, we got most of it together. I'm filling it up with water right now. I'll try to go around, tell you a couple things. This, like I said, not going to be in depth at all. Once I get the pump running, I'll show you what it looks like, and we'll go from there. So here's to the stock tank pool I went and got a couple months ago for the wife. Happy wife, happy life. Well, here's the pump we went with, guys. Intex SX 1500, quite large. I think it's considered a 12-inch pump, sand filter pump. It's rated for like 14 or 16,000 gallons. We're only at 700, but talked to several people. It's not gonna hurt a thing to have more pump than we have capacity of the pool. It's the other way around that creates the issue. So I'll get you a clip of the sand that we put in it here in a minute. Like I said, don't take this with as the gospel or anything like that. This is just what I've done, what I've read, what I've looked up on YouTube, and a couple of people I've talked to. So we're gonna see what happens. Good, bad, ugly, you know, I'm gonna film it all. I forgot to show you the sand. White filter sand for pool water filtration. What is it? Aqua Bright. Yeah, we got a local place here really within a half a mile of the house that sells pool supplies, so that's what I put in there. Let's go see how it's doing. All right, guys, here it is. 700-gallon Hastings stock tank. We talked about the pump itself a minute ago. The main reason I wanted to capture some of this is because I did it totally different. I did not drill holes in the tank yet. I'm not saying I won't, I'm not saying I will. Call it OCD, call it what you want. I do not want to mess up this tank as much money as I've got in it with drilling holes that are going to leak. So it's the same concept. Only difference is the hoses on the inside. I've got some stainless magnets there, just zip tied temporarily, see how it works. If everything goes great, I may end up just hard plumbing that with PVC. The waterfall, little cascade waterfall thing there with LED lights, most of the time that's a novelty. It's got a valve that you can switch off from your inlet back in the pool into that. Just kind of gives you a little, you know, noise effect stuff. But we're going to use it to put water back in, not having to drill any holes. So haven't cranked anything up yet. I'll bring you back when we backwash the pump and clean the filter media and all that good stuff. I'm learning as we go. It's been running about 30-45 minutes now. We're about a quarter of the way full, so got good water pressure here at the house finally. If you know, you know. But like I said, guys, not going to be a tutorial, not going to be a how-to. It's going to be an explanation. Good, bad, ugly. It may fail. If it does, you'll be the first to see. So definitely stay tuned. Well, it's running, guys. Still got the water hose. We got probably maybe 3 more inches to go. See what it looks like. I don't know if you can see probably can't see the LEDs over there. I'll try to get a clip here at night, but that's it. Working great. Pipe washed everything. Took the hose off. Like I said, no issues at all with that I can see. We'll let it run for a few days, see how it does, if everything works out. She likes it. I'm like just hard plumbing in. So I like that waterfall. Pretty neat. Get the chemicals in it and test it. Let us start using it. Well, I'm sure it's not going to pick up anything, but there's the disco lights, if you will, under the waterfall. She loves it. All right, guys. Well, I think we'll just wrap this one up. She's going to get in it today. Everything's looking good. Got the chemicals in it. She's got to get the handheld skimmer back out. I bought one with all the stuff that I got, but the hanger for it is too low. I've got to do some fabrication on that. I needed a different fitting, so it's not the end of the world on that. But anyway, there it is. My version of the DIY stock tank pool. She's so excited about it, and the LED lights there worked out great. She really likes the waterfall, so might have killed 2 birds with 1 stone. Alright, guys, we're going to wrap this one up. Like I said, probably a pretty short video. Nothing really tutorial or anything. If I can remember, I'll try to put the link to all this stuff down in the description. Most of it came from Scamazon, and the part numbers, whatever. But so far so good. I mean, I really like it. The fact that we didn't have drilling holes in it is very simple. You know, she loves the waterfall. The LED light at night was really cool, so it gives kind of a, what is the word she used? She used some kind of fancy word. The water trickling down, you know, with the waterfall. But anyway, it really worked out great because I didn't have to worry about anything, you know, going back and tightening up any fittings or draining water back out of it and all that other stuff. So we were really keen on that when I first saw it. But anyway, just something very different for the channel. But a couple of you had mentioned I should do a video on it, so I showed it to you. Of course, she won't dare let me get any video of her in it, so I'll take my word for it. But we'll see what happens, guys, over the next couple of days. If you're interested in any apparel, I'll put that link in the description as well. Mad Moose Designs, IP Farms. We've got shirts, hats, decals. Really appreciate all the ones that have ordered from me already. If any of you new guys are interested in, thank you all the new subscribers that came over. I've gained quite a few here recently. Really appreciate all you guys have been with me from the beginning. So we'll see what happens and go from there. So thank you for sticking around for one that's kind of different, guys. Until next time, thank you.